class. In this class we will study the estimate the numbers in the subtraction. The exercise is 3.9. Let us start. The first question in the 3.9 exercise, estimate the difference to the nearest 10 and compare with the actual difference. Yes, we have to first estimate the given numbers there, and one more step there, that is find out the actual difference. Okay, in the 3.4 exercise we did as same as these problems in the addition formation. Just apply that rules in the exercise 3.9 also. The first one, the 49 minus 23. Yes, how to estimate the number there? First, check the number, that is 49. If the digit at the ones place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, the number is rounded up. In a ones place there is a 9 there, so the 9 is greater than 5. So the number is the tens place number is rounded up there. So it means the 4 becomes the 5. Okay, right there. Solution. The estimated difference. The estimated difference. What is that? The 49. It becomes the 50. We rounded up the number there. Why? Because the 9 is greater than 5. So next, the 23 there. The ones place number 3. It is less than 5. So the number is rounded down. It means the 23 becomes the 20 there. The 23 becomes the 20. Yes, what is the problem? The difference. So we have to subtract the number there. The 0 minus 0 is 0. The 5 minus 2 is 3. This is the estimated difference. Next, one more step there, that is the actual difference. What is that? That is actual difference. Actual difference. Yes, how to do that one? Okay, write the numbers as same as that. The 49 and 23 is to do the difference. The 9 minus 3 is 6. The 4 minus 2 is 20. The estimated difference answer is, the difference is 30. The actual difference is the 26. The 4 numbers are difference in between the actual and the estimated number. Yes, do the B1, that is 177 minus 123. Yes, the question is nearest to the tens place. Nearest to the tens place. Okay, which number in the tens place? The 7 there. The beside the ones place number is greater than 5. If the number is equal or greater than 5, the number it rounded up there. So it means the 7, it becomes the 8. Is solution. The 177, it becomes the 180. It becomes the 180. Next, the 123 there. The ones place number is the 3. That is less than 5. So the number is rounded down. That becomes the 120. We already learned the rules of the how to round it down or round it up in the previous class. Next, the 180 minus 120. The difference of the 180 minus 120 is 60. How it comes? The 0 minus 0 is 0. The 8 minus 2 is 6. The 1 minus 1 is 0. This is the estimated difference. Next, one more step there, that is actual difference. In actual difference, write the number as same as 177. Next, 123. Is to do the difference. The 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 1 minus 1 is 0. This is the actual difference and this one is the estimated difference. Next, one more problem is the C one. Okay, in the C question, the 8795 minus 6741 is first to do the estimated difference. What is that? The estimated difference. Nearest to the 10, the 9, it is in the tens place. Beside that one, the 5. The 5 digit is equal to the 5. So, that becomes the rounded up. The 5 is rounded up. The 9, it becomes the 10 then. So, the 7, it becomes the 8. That means the 8800. The estimated of the 8795 is 8800. The one more number, the 6741, the ones place number is 1 there, that is less than 5, so this is rounded down. It means 6740, that becomes the 6740. It can be rounded to the 6741, it can be rounded to 6740. Let's do the difference subtraction problem. So 0 minus 0 is 0. The 0 minus 4 not possible. So regroup the number. The 110's place. The 100 place number decreases 1. It becomes a 7. So 10 minus 4 is 6. The 7 minus 7 is 0. So 8 minus 6 is 2. The estimated difference of the 8795 minus 6741 is the 2060. Yes, the actual difference is write the number as same as the 8795 minus the 6741 is find out the difference rate. The 5 minus 1 is 4. The 9 minus 4 is 5. The 7 minus 7 is 0. The 8 minus 6 is 2. The actual difference is 2054. The actual difference is 2054. The actual difference is 2054. The estimated and the actual value differ just 5. Differ just only 6 there. Yes, the D1, one more problem. The D1, $34,578 minus the 8,674. Okay, in the tens place 7 there. The 8, it is more than 5. So the number is rounded up. It means that becomes the 8. It can be rounded up. The 34,580. This is the estimated difference. The 8,674. The tens place number is 7. The 4 is less than 5. So it is rounded down. It means the 70. The 8,670. Let's do the subtraction now. The 0 minus 0 is 0. The 8 minus 7 is 1. The 5 minus 6 not possible. It becomes a 15. Then the thousands place decreases 1. The 15 minus 6 is 8. Sorry. The 15 minus 6 is 9. The 3 minus 8 not possible. we regroup the 10,000 and thousands place there. 13. The 10,000 place is decreases 1. It becomes the 2. The 13 minus 8 is the 13 minus 8 is 5. The 2 as it is. That is the 25,910. This is the estimated difference. So actual difference is find out the actual difference. What is that? Write the number there. The 34,578 minus 8,674. Is do subtraction now. The 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. The 5 minus 6 not possible. We regroup the number there. The thousands place and hundred place. The 15 minus 6 is 9. The 4 becomes the 3. The 3 minus 8 not possible. It becomes the 13. The 10,000 numbers is decreases 1. It becomes 2. The 13 minus 8 is 5. The 2 as it is. This is the actual difference there. This is the estimated difference and the actual difference by 6. It's one more problem. Then you have to do yourself. Next, move to the second main question. Okay, the second main question in the exercise 3.9. That is the estimated the difference to the nearest 100 and compare with the actual difference. Okay, in the first main we did the estimated nearest to the tens place. Okay, in the second main question we have to do that is the nearest to the 100. Okay, the first question that is the 287 minus 122. The 287 minus 122. If the digit at the tens place is equal to or greater than 5, if the digit at the tens place is equal to or greater than 5, that is rounded up. The number is rounded up. A solution. Do the solution. First write the estimated before. What is that? The estimated before. 287, the 100 place. We have to do the nearest 100 place. It means the 2 it is in the 100 place. So beside the tens place number is 8. It is greater than 5. So the number is rounded up. It means that rounded to the 300. It means that it can be rounded to the 300. The 122 there. The 100 place number is 1. The tens place number is less than 5. So this is rounded down. It becomes 100. Let's do the difference there. The 0 minus 0 is 0. The 0 minus 0 is 0. The 3 minus 1 is 2. The estimated difference is 200 there. 200. Next, go to the actual difference. The actual difference. What is that? Let's write the number there. The 287 minus 122. Let's do the difference. The 7 minus 2 is 5. The 8 minus 2 is 6. The 2 minus 1 is 1. The actual differ and the estimated differ by only 35. Yes, one more problem there. That is B1. Okay, the B1 is the 76,840 minus 43,656. The 100 place we have to round it. The 100 place number there. So it means the tens place, that is the 4. It is less than 5. So it is rounded down. It becomes the 76,800. It can be rounded 76,800. 656 there. The tens place number 5, so it is equal to the 5, so the number is rounded up. It means the hundred place number is 700, it becomes the 700. The 43,700. It becomes 43,700. Let's do the difference now. The 0 minus 0 is 0. The 0 minus 0 is 0. The 8 minus 7 is 1. The 6 minus 3 is 3. The 7 minus 4 is 3. Yes, the estimated differ is 33,100. Yes. Next we have to find out the actual differ there. The actual differ, that is, write the number there. The 76,840 minus the 43,656. Write the number as same as that. The 0 minus 6 not possible, 10. So it becomes a 3 there. The 10 minus 6 is 4. The 3 minus 5 not possible. So we rounded. The regroup the number there. The 100 and tens place number. It becomes a 13. The 100 place decreases 1. The 100 place number is decreases 1. It becomes a 7. The 13 minus 5 is 8. The 7 minus 6 is 1. The 6 minus 3 is 3. The 7 minus 4 is 3. Yes, the actual differ is 33,184. The estimated and actual differ just by only the 84 there. Is the C problem. Move to the C1. Solution. The estimated differ is 4,56,894 minus 3,54,536. The question is just rounded to the nearest 100 place. That means the 8, it is in the 100 place. The beside method, the 9, it is greater than 5. So the 100 place is rounded up. The 100 place number is rounded up. It means it becomes the 9. So the 4,56,000, that is 900. It becomes the 4,56,900. So next number 3,54,536. The 100 place number is 5. The tens place number is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So the number is rounded down. It means that becomes the 500. The 3,54,500. Yes. Next we have to find out the difference there. The 0 minus 0 is 0. The 0 minus 0. The 0 minus 5 is 4. The 6 minus 4 is 2. The 5 minus 5 is 0. The 4 minus 3 is 1. This is the estimated differ. Next, actual difference. What is the actual difference? And how much the actual difference there? Let's write the number there. The 4,56,894 minus 3,54,536. Let's do the subtraction. The 4 minus 6 not possible. So I regroup the number. The tens and ones place there. That becomes the 14. The tens place number becomes the 8. This 1. That becomes the 8. The 14 minus 6 is 8. The 8 minus 3 is 5. The 8 minus 5 is 3. The 6 minus 4 is 2. The 5 minus 5 is 0. The 4 minus 3 is 1. This is the actual differ. 1,02,358. That is the estimated and the actual value differ by 50. Okay, the exercise 3.9 is finished. Thank you.